Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The most common cause of hiccups with puppies and dogs is drinking water or eating food too fast, which causes the puppy or dog to ingest air along with their food or water. General excitement and even stress can also cause a bout of the hiccups in dogs.
Take our lead.
Though it appears highly unpleasant to humans, the practice of eating poop, known as coprophagia, is common in the animal kingdom, and helps some animals access nutrients they couldn't digest the first time around. Poop eating is a behavior that alerts us pet parents that something is wrong with our dog. 23 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Dogs generally get them from the air they swallow when they eat or drink too fast, but stress, fatigue and excitement can also bring on a bout. Some experts believe the harmless spasms can actually help your puppy relieve stomach gas or irritation. 27 September 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How can you get rid of dog hiccups? Calm or regular breathing. Help your dog's breathing pattern become more steady and rhythmic. Drink water. Like with humans, drinking water can assist with hiccups. Slow down at dinner. Hiccups can occur if your dog is eating too fast. The 19th of July 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.